If you want to work with a select group of prefabs, look into the Favorites system in Mess Manager. Next to every prefab in the browser's list is a heart button that toggles favorite status of the prefab. Click the Favorites filter button to show your favorites prefabs in the browser. Back in the scene you can see that a few houses has a satellite dish, but only a few. Now let's pretend our game designers suddenly told us that as a new core concept of this game, absolutely every house in the whole scene needs a satellite dish. Without Mess Manager it would be a terrible task to take on to find all houses in the scene and place a satellite dish on them. Heck, even with the aid of Mess Manager there's manual work involved in such a task. But let's see how easy we can do things. Let's select all prefabs under the wrapper named buildings in this scene and set them as favorites. The system will automatically subtract prefab sources from your selection and mark these as favorites. In preview you can now see that this scene makes use of a total of 42 individual building prefabs. Under Mess Manager settings pane, we can set the browser's list up to show the whole collection in one long row instead of using pagination. Let's load an empty scene. Favorites are independent of scenes, so here you have your list of all building prefabs used in the main scene in a fresh and empty temporary scene. Looking in the hierarchy you will see that Fire Handler's preview is organized so you can easily lift out the prefabs list. Let's place it at 0 and get down there to start adding dishes. I search dish and use Mess Manager's to target function to get the dish placed approximately where I need it. I release the dish as a child of the current building prefab. I use ordinary Unity tools to do the manual work of positioning the dish at the good spot on the building. Select the next building and start over. First click fires the dish and makes it come to the object I'm working on. Second click releases it as a child of the building. Now I can focus on the creative part, the human touch of placing the dishes. First click fires the dish and makes it come to the object I'm working on. Second click releases it as a child of the building. When ready, I apply the changes to the prefabs via Inspector, ordinary Unity style. We can check that everything is in order, make adjustments and apply. Finally we'll be loading the main scene again, and enjoy how every house in the scene now has a dish. The entire process took under 7 minutes. Mess Manager, handle your Unity asset store prefabs like a boss. Thank you.